Bitches big dollar gang, big dollar, big motion. I done lost a couple homies.
What's the deal, y'all? It's your girl, Deja Dollar, tapping in from the Dollar Gang. I ain't gonna lie, the inspiration is shit, my kids, my family, my good peoples, the Dollar Gang. Dollar Gang is me and my brand, you feel me? We known for going crazy. It don't matter what it is, getting money, the baddest bitches, the twerkers, whatever it is, we just go crazy. I've been doing this for a solid like 2 years, consistently.
Yeah? What made you start doing this?
I ain't gonna lie, my brother Spank Nitty James, he inspired me to make music, and I feel like he's so dope in it, and I feel like it's kind of in us, so I just, you feel me, decided to rap. This year, I ain't gonna lie, I'm trying to think. This year, I want to go viral for real. Like, people know me, but I want to get outside of California. I want to go global. Yeah. We going viral, we going global. Shout out to Boss Babe Gang and Trap LA.
Do you know how to surf? Cause I'm coming like a I'm the flyest bitch out, causing all this commotion. Bitches big dollar gang, big dollar, big motion.